Find g of 4 if g of x is equal to the rational expression 2 minus 3x squared all divided by x squared. So in order for us to go ahead and find g of 4, we want to go ahead and replace every x in the given function with 4. So in other words, we can say that g of 4 is equal to 2 minus 3 multiplied by 4 squared, and this is all divided by 4 squared. So we, of course, know that 4 squared, or 4 times 4, is 16. So we can rewrite this as 2 minus 3 times 16, and this is all divided by 16. So continuing with our simplification in the numerator, we have 2 minus, so 16 times 3 leaves us with 48, all still over 16. And 2 minus 48 is going to leave us with a negative 46 sixteenths. Now, observe here that 46 and 16 are both even numbers. So we can simplify this answer further by thinking about the multiples of 2. So 46 is equivalent to 2 times 23. And this is all divided by 2, or we can rewrite 16 as 2 times 8. So notice we have a matching 2 in the numerator and denominator. So those terms are going to cancel each other out to 1. And this leaves us with our final answer, our simplified final answer. We can say that g of 4 in this case is equal to minus 23rd eighths. So this is the notation in which we want to leave our final answer, and we call this an improper fraction. Alternatively, we could take this improper fraction and convert it to a proper fraction or a mixed number by asking ourselves, how many times does 8 go into 23? So let's think about this. We have 23, and we'll use positives to start here. So I have 23 all divided by 8. We know that this is equivalent to saying that we are dividing the number 23 by 8. So we know that 8 times 3 is 24, so that's too big. So we know that 8 times 2 is 16. So we can say that 8 goes into 23 2 times. So we have 23 minus 16, which leaves us with 7. Now 7 is smaller than 8, so 8 cannot go into 7. So we would say that this is 2 with a remainder of 7. But we want to rewrite this in a fraction form. So this remainder of 7 can alternatively be rewritten as 2 and 7/8. So with this, we can say another way to write our final answer, g of 4, which we found to be minus 23 by 8. Another way to write this would be minus 2 and 7/8.